Government Company Section 245. A government company refers to any company in which not less than 51% of the paid-up share capital is held by the Government of India or the Government of any states in India or partly by the Government of India and partly by one or more state governments. Key characteristics of government companies. 1. Ownership structure. Government companies are predominantly owned and controlled by the governments of India or states in India. The majority shareholding ensures significant influence or control over the company's management, operations, and strategic decisions. 2. Formation and governance. Government companies are formed under the provisions of the Companies Act, 2013, and operate as per the Act's regulations, with specific provisions tailored to their governance, management, and reporting requirements. 3. Purpose and objectives. Government companies are established to undertake activities or provide services that are deemed beneficial to the public interest, contribute to economic development, fulfill strategic objectives, or deliver essential public services. Regulatory framework and compliance. 1. Companies Act, 2013. Government companies are subject to provisions under the Companies Act, 2013, concerning incorporation, management, administration, and corporate governance practices applicable to all registered companies in India. 2. Board composition. The board of directors of a government company typically includes nominees from the government's holding majority shareholding, ensuring alignment with governmental policies and objectives. 3. Financial reporting. Government companies must comply with accounting standards prescribed under the Companies Act, maintain transparent financial reporting practices, and submit audited financial statements annually to regulatory authorities. Role and significance. 1. Public sector enterprises. Government companies play a vital role in the public sector economy of India, contributing to infrastructure development, industrial growth, job creation, and delivery of essential services in sectors such as energy, transportation, telecommunications, and banking. 2. Policy implementation. Government companies serve as vehicles for implementing government policies, initiatives, and developmental programs aimed at achieving socio-economic objectives, promoting inclusive growth, and addressing regional disparities. 3. Accountability and transparency. As entities owned by the government companies are accountable to Parliament, state legislatures, regulatory bodies, and the public for their performance, utilization of resources, and adherence to corporate governance standards.